Hey sleepers, I'm Elizabeth, sleep expert at Tuck. Today we'll be taking a look at the Nolah Original Mattress. This is Nolah's flagship model and it features their proprietary air foam. How does the Nolah stack up to Tuck's tests? Keep watching to find out. If you like what we're doing and find our videos helpful, let us know. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you sign up for our newsletter, you'll automatically be entered into our monthly giveaway. Check the card above my shoulder for more information. Alright, for this mattress review, we brought in some outside help to show how the mattress performs for different body types and to hear additional opinions from a variety of voices. Assisting us today, we have lightweight sleeper Tess, average weight sleeper Nicholas, and heavyweight sleeper Jerica. Setting up the Nolah mattress is easy. We recommend having a friend around because while the mattress is compressed, it's a bit bulky and heavy for one person. Move the mattress to its final destination, unwrap it, and watch it come to life. Recovery should happen within the first 12 hours, but give it as much as 48 hours to fully recover. There may be some off-gassing when the packaging is removed, but it should dissipate within the first week. The Nolah mattress is a 10-inch mixed foam mattress. The cover is a moisture-wicking natural viscose. The comfort layers consist of 2 inches of 2.5 PCF Nolah air foam and 1 inch of 4 PCF high-resiliency polyfoam. The support core is 7 inches of 1.8 PCF high-density polyfoam. The Nolah comes in one firmness option, which we've placed at a 5.5 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a medium mattress. The mattress is very conforming and a little more responsive than traditional memory foam. It's not bouncy like latex or an inner spring, but it recovers its shape fairly quickly. Changing positions is easy on this bed, as you won't feel stuck in this mattress. You will feel like you're sleeping in and not on this mattress, as the top comfort layers will compress, cradle, and hug your body. To measure support, we look at the spinal alignment of each of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. We found the Nolah Original offers adequate support and that the all-foam construction provides the best support for lighter weight sleepers. As you can see, our lightweight sleeper's spine is very well aligned and our average weight sleeper and heavyweight sleeper received a bit less support as they sank through the softer comfort layers and into the polyfoam base. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress absorbs motion and prevents it from transferring across the bed. This is a value to couples and co-sleepers so you don't feel the movements of your sleep partner. One way to observe this is with a water glass demonstration, where we place a glass with water on one end of the bed and have our heavyweight sleeper move around the opposite side. You can see the glass and the water move very little as Jerica shifts around on the other side of the bed. This means the mattress is absorbing the bulk of her movements. Motion isolation is a strength of all foam mattresses, and the Nolah Original is no different. With 10 inches of foams that is topped off with 2 inches of air foam, the bed does well to absorb motion. Even when testing the bed with multiple people tossing and turning on the mattress, we noticed very little motion. Only the most sensitive sleepers will feel their sleep disrupted. Edge support refers to how much your mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support are harder to get in and out of and may leave sleepers feeling as though they may roll off. All foam mattresses tend to have weak edge support due to the foam construction, which is designed to compress under pressure. The Nolah again follows the trend here. You will notice sinkage while sitting on the edge of the mattress. Laying along the edge is slightly better as weight is more distributed, but there is still some sinkage. We never feared rolling off, but some sleepers may feel otherwise. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well mattresses relieve pressure on the body. You'll notice the scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red, indicating increasing amounts of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. When it hits red, there's a higher likelihood of reduced blood flow in those specific sections of the body. Our testing found that the softer foams in the comfort layers, and especially the 2 inches of Nolah's proprietary air foam, conformed to our sleepers' bodies and helped relieve pressure across all sleeper types and weights. You can see all 3 sleepers have good readings with mostly blue and green, indicating very little pressure. Temperature neutrality refers to whether a mattress disperses heat from your body to keep it from warming up. All foam mattresses can struggle with temperature neutrality, as most foams do not allow for much airflow. While we did experience some warming with the Nolah mattress, especially among heavier sleepers, it wasn't uncomfortable nor as bad as other all-foam mattresses. The air foam comfort layer allows for more airflow than traditional memory foam and stays cooler as a result. Now, let's take a minute to check in with our sleepers. Okay, Tess, what did you think of the Nolah mattress?
I'm a big fan of the Nolah mattress. The first time I lie down on it, it just feels perfect for me.
To be honest, I felt like it was a little bit too soft for me. I felt too sunk into the bed, almost like my weight was just too much.
Well, the mattress really felt like a hug. I really felt really supported in all my pressured areas, and it was very comfortable.
Did you notice the mattress heating up at all during the night, or did you find it stayed pretty cool?
Yeah, it stayed pretty cool.
Okay.
I didn't feel any temperature difference. I feel like it's pretty cozy.
When you did the water glass test, how did that go?
It didn't move at all.
Move.
Yeah, so
Okay.
I moved a lot too, and it didn't go anywhere.
I didn't feel it too much. I felt like because the bed was soft, you're not really gonna feel that. Maybe on a hard bed you would.
What was your favorite position to sleep in?
Actually, my back. It felt really nice just to be on my back. Sleeping on my stomach was also really comfortable.
What about side?
I felt fine on my side too. Yeah, I think that this one is pretty dreamy.
All right, well, thank you so much, Tess.
Thanks.
Now let's take a look at how the Nolah mattress stacks up in our mattress tests. Support is very good for lightweight sleepers and good for average and heavyweight sleepers. Pressure relief is very good for all sleepers. Motion isolation is very good, and both edge support and temperature neutrality are good. Here are a few takeaways based on our mattress testing. The Nolah Original comes in one firmness option, which is a medium at 5.5. If you know you like an especially soft or firm mattress, this bed may not be for you. This mattress has an all-foam feel. Even though there are responsive elements to the construction of this bed, it's not particularly bouncy and you'll sink more than you'll float on it. So if you know you like a more responsive inner spring feel, you'll want to look elsewhere. Heavier sleepers may want more support than the Nolah Original offers. Some heavier sleepers may sink through the softer comfort layers to the support core and not get the support they need. So who is this mattress for? We recommend the Nolah Original to light and average weight sleepers. The 3 inches of soft foams over the 7-inch support base do best to support and conform to light and average weight sleepers. These sleepers should enjoy the Nolah Original in any position. Combination sleepers that prefer an all-foam bed will find comfort in multiple positions. The added responsiveness of the air foam comfort layer make it easy to change positions, so you'll be snug in whichever position on the Nolah Original. Couples and those that sleep with a partner will appreciate the strong motion isolation offered by the Nolah Original. The mattress absorbs motion well and keeps it from disrupting sleep. Philanthropic shoppers may be happy to know that for every mattress sold, Nolah will adopt an endangered North American animal through their partner, Defenders of Wildlife. If you're looking to pair your mattress purchase with a charitable cause, this may be it. Before purchasing the Nolah Original Mattress, here is some additional information you'll want to know. It comes with a 120-night sleep trial, free shipping, and a 15-year warranty. For the lowest price available, check the description below. What did you think of the mattress? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Sleep well.